Yo, how is it going, Rocky? It's your boy Jedi Run here. Um, so just wanted to show you some of the things I've learned on the box so far. Hopefully, will help you kind of get up to speed once you start using this controller. Hold on, my bad. Yep. So menus are a little rough, but I'm already getting used to it. I'm already getting my menu tech skill up there. Not too bad. I'm just getting used to that pinky on up. But I'm gonna go to I think we'll start with just L cancel training. So first thing with this controller is just learning the layout, right? So it didn't take me long to memorize the layout, you know, just by muscle memory. But yeah, so obviously dash dancing, you'll feel it. Your dash dancing is so easy on this. I mean, it's pretty broken, you know, how good your dash dance will be. You can vary the lengths very easily. If you want to start walking, you hold one of these modifier buttons. So the top one is like kind of, you know, slow walk. And then this one's super slow walk. But yeah, all you have to worry about when you're starting out is fucking just dash dancing. So this is the jump button you use most of the time. Let me pull out. I should have the layout here. Hold on. I'll add that so you can see the layout. Box layout. And then I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, we got the box default layout. I'm gonna save that image and I'm gonna add that. So, image, okay. Browse. Hold on. Is that it? Oh, there we go. Okay, sick. So I have the layout here. Just put that around here. So yeah, that is gonna be pretty helpful. Let me just, okay, cool. So I have the layout here. So yeah, that is gonna be X, right? So X is the button you're gonna jump with most of the time. At first I was kind of struggling with the short hop, it being a arcade button, but I realized it's actually a lot easier to short hop on this than a normal controller. Before I was kind of trying to like flick it upwards, because that's kind of what I do. But that felt really inconsistent. I was like running into the other buttons. But you know when you like drum inputs, right, in fighting games? I kind of just do the same kind of thing where I drum the jump button really fast. And I get short hop every time. I don't really miss it anymore. Just by drumming it like that. So that's a really useful tip, I think. Just drum the short hop. Alright. When you're wave dashing, you're going to want to do it like this. So you hold down, no matter, and then you can, if you want to go backwards, you hold left. Like in this instance, I'd go left. If I want to go forwards, I'd hold right, and then you use the Y and the R button for that. So most of the time, you're gonna use L to shield, and then R is kind of like your wave dash button. So you can wave dash. So I don't know if the modifiers affect the wave dash distance yet, which they might make it like longer. Kind of looks like they do. I'm not sure yet, but I don't think that's very yeah, it looks like they do go a little bit longer if you hold the modifier button. And then okay, so they do affect the modifiers. So if you want to do a short distance wave dash, you will hold the bottom modifier. And then if you want to do farther, you hold the top. Yep, so yeah, as you can see. Still working on wave dashing, but it's not too bad. But for doing aerials, the reason you have this is the C stick, right? And the reason the attack button is there is so it feels natural doing like shuffle aerials. So in order to L cancel, you're gonna press Z, which is, you can see it on the layout. So you pretty much jump, and if you want to do a nair, you just press the A button, and you can shuffle very easily, like so. And then you do press a lot of inputs when you're shuffling, because you hit X right first, you hit your aerial button, you fast fall with the button. So it is, yep, you fast fall, and then you just add that L cancel with the Z button. And then for other aerials, you can just hit the C stick. So if I want down air, I just hit that down button. If I want back, this is the hardest one for me. Like, so up air is not bad. Sorry. Okay, maybe it is. I don't even know if you want to fast fall if you do up air. Oh, okay, you do. Okay, yeah, fast fall up air. That's easy. I am trying to get used to shuffling forward air and back air, because I feel like that is a little weird. Because depending on which way your character is facing, like, it changes the button you hit for the fucking C stick. So I do accidentally get like forward airs sometimes when I'm trying to do a back air. So I don't know. That's just gonna take getting used to. But that's pretty much all I know so far. I still need to figure out like how to do all the angles on Fox's up B. There's a lot, like depending on like how you hold the C stick, like really like changes the angle. C stick, because like there are just so many modifier buttons, and there's buttons that like there's only 2 dedicated modifier buttons, right? But these like C stick buttons, and I think some of the attack buttons can also act as them. If you do want to jerk off, you do need to hold the modifier button, so like that. So you can do light shield. You can do light shield, hold modifier button, and like that. That's how you do it. Yep, so modifier buttons do a lot of things. I think that's like the hardest part of the controller, because a lot of the other stuff I am quickly getting used to, like doing aerials. Like, I'm L canceling like a lot of those aerials already. I am starting to learn how to wave shine, which is like that. It's fucking kind of hard. I mean, I was doing it better earlier. I don't know what's going on now. Okay. A good one to know is wave dash out of shield. Which you would hold the left button for shield, and then you'd let go of it. Yeah, so wave dash out of shield. Fuck me. Yeah. Kind of forgot how to shield drop again. It was, oh yeah, it was boom, modifier. Okay. I don't remember how to shield drop. I still have a lot of studying to do. I'm not gonna try to like rush it though. I'm gonna try to just slowly learn it. Because if you try to rush it, bro, like, I don't know, it's too overwhelming. But hopefully this video like helped with some things. Definitely read the manual. It will tell you like the recommended input sequence for like everything. That's been helping me. I've been referring to the manual a lot. And yeah, I think I'll get it. I already feel, you know, more comfortable than yesterday, so that's a start. But yeah, probably gonna spend a lot of time, more time in training mode than in real matches, because you know it's a lot. But yeah, that's about it. See ya.